Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron, and today we're gonna go hopefully install the brakes. But first, we gotta stop at the BMW dealership, which is about an hour that way, that way, that way, and that way. If you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Gotta stop at a gas station. I'm pretty thirsty. You know, like when your throat gets dry and you just really want something to drink. Trying to stay away from pop or soda, whatever you guys call that. I don't know. Definitely know that Gatorade's gonna be the move. Give me a grape, and this is like the worst Gatorade ever. I don't know why that was invented. The mango. Yeah. Parts department. I had ordered parts yesterday online.
It'll be at the other counter.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Over here.
No worries. Once we get these screws, we're gonna head over to the BMW, drill out those stupid rotors, install the new ones. And I don't know if we have time, but if we have time, hopefully we can get the wheels and tires installed today as well. Not on the car, but the tires onto the wheels. So that's the tentative plan. We'll see, more to come. So yesterday, I'd gotten a email notification telling me that the new transmission had been delayed, but it looks like they spoke whatever they needed to, and we finally have a shipping number. I do need to get different kidney grills because the chrome's not going to work for me. I don't like the chrome. I'm probably going to go with black, but you know, with the rate BMW's going, these are going to be, you know, the size of an oven at some point, so. Oh gosh. Look at this, the E46 CSL M3. This thing is nasty. Okay guys, so we're back on the road and headed back to the BMW right now. Super excited. Got the bolts. Will's got the bolts. And yeah, we're just driving along. That's a very nice Porsche. And he didn't up-badge it. That's great. I hate when people up-badge Caymans. This dude did not up-badge his Cayman. That is rare. Nice. Alright guys, we're just now pulling up to the BMW. We're going to get this work in. My buddy Will's going to be drilling out the rotors, and I will be taking the wheels and tires in the meantime to go be mounted. So yeah.
This is the BMW?
No, that's just one of them.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm off the road right now.
Yeah, I'm just gonna park in half the grass, half the cement.
Oh, just don't get me killed.
Cool. Okay guys, so we have all of the wheels and tires mounted, not mounted, but packed up in the car, and I'm on my way to Firestone Complete Auto Care. I am, let's check the GPS, 3 minutes away, so we should be there anytime now. I'm super excited. I want to see how these look. It's going to be $60 per wheel and tire, but that includes it being balanced and the valve stems and all of that. So I am not tripping whatsoever as far as the cost. You know, 240 bucks. Yeah, you're paying for the warranty, you're paying for the service, and for those of you guys who do not know, the Firestone, they offer lifetime warranty for wheels and tires when they mount them. So if it, you know, becomes unthreaded or whatnot, you can have it rebeaded. Give me a second, my buddy's calling me. What's up, dude? Alrighty. Should be up there on the right. Yep, there it is, right behind the Taco Bell. I am so excited. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand how excited I am. This is big, you know. I always love the look of wheels and tires together. It's just oh gosh. Unfortunately, the Firestone was closed, so now we're going to the next best place, Walmart. Yay. Alright, anyway, so I'm at Walmart. Don't know if they are going to be able to help me today, but it's the tentative plan. We'll see. We shall see. Their hours of operation do say That's all right. Just adjust aim and fire. Yeah, that guy's in the chair for us. Look at this RT. This thing is clean. Anyways, so I stopped at this mom and pop place. This is J and I Tire Shop here in Kyle. Okay guys, so we got all the tires and everything mounted with the GC Navarro tire shop here in Kyle, and they took care of me really nicely. All in all, 50 out the door. I paid them 60 and tipped them in beer because these guys did a fantastic job. Oh wow, this looks really good. I don't know how well this is gonna show, but these are really rusty. They were seized on there with rust. Get a better shot of it for you guys. This is the front one, just all rusted to crap. No worries though, I got pretty much everything ready to go on for that side. We're doing the last brake over there. I did this one. I seated it not too long ago.
Oh, in your home.
I'll get a better shot tomorrow when it's more light out, but yeah. I'm exhausted, but we have all the wheels on and the brakes are installed, so it's coming together quick. Just wait for the suspension next week and she'll be a car again. Well, she was already a car, just more of a car, you know? All right guys, so this is what it's looking like in the daytime. Man, just seeing those drilled and slotted rotors, that just looks so aggressive. I don't know how it's coming out on the GoPro, but in person it just looks crazy. I'll show you the front. Unfortunately, there's no engine in the front right now, so looks like the fitment's way off. You can literally probably almost put my phone in there. Kind of weird. But these brakes look really good on the front as well. Took forever to do it, but I'm glad that we did. These 265s look so mean. Wow. They stick out just enough too. Stick out in like the best way possible. So it's pretty good fitment. And that continues on down the body line of the car to the back. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys are new viewers out there and maybe this is your first time, check out other videos in the playlist. I have a whole bunch of other videos that I've put out as far as this E46 LS swap is concerned. I hope to see you guys in the next one. I hope you have a good day / night wherever you may find yourselves. And here's some photos, because I think everybody deserves to see like photos rather than just like the video, but like, yeah, photo montage. Peace.